you mean it. We're not going to see them for 3 hours. I'm totally kidding. We'll never see them again. Okay, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Molly. That is, of course, first name Skipper, last name Molly. And I'll be your skipper, your tour guide, your social director, your dance instructor, your lion tamer, your snake charmer, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor. We'll catch on quick, guys. Okay, we are headed into the Amazon rainforest here on the Amazon River. If you look to either side, guys, we do have our Amazonian butterflies. Now, these butterflies actually have a wingspan that ranges from 12 inches all the way up to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, I call them the rulers of the jungle. Actual monarchs, if you believe it. Now, make sure our little ones are in your lap or on a seat for me. They can't stand up like for their safety. Perfect. And now, up on our left-hand side, we do have the beautiful Inspiration Falls. Now, a lot of people like to ask me, Skipper Molly, why do you call it Inspiration Falls? And it's because the longer we stare at that water, the more it'll inspire us to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle. Of course, of course. Now, we are headed into the Congo River in Africa, so let's see how far this boat can go. Yeah, I've never made it this far. It's a big day for all of us, okay? We're actually going to make a pit stop over here. Over here we have our boat rental and bait shop. Yeah, you can actually rent a standard or deluxe paddle here. Yeah, it's really either or. Yeah, but we usually have a skipper there. I'm not sure if I can really see anybody. Canoe? Yeah, totally kidding, they're kayaks. But I do know it scared them off, okay? Just around the corner hitting the tree, folks, we do have a giant python. Yeah, actually, a fun fact about pythons. Did you know they can grow up to 33 feet? Yeah, haven't seen them grow one yet, though, but I am sort of hopeful. Okay, so we're going to swing it. Oh, what the jungle? Yes, we'll get closer. I was going to introduce you all to my coworkers, but they blew it. Yeah, so we're going to have to make like a banana split. Yeah, this no longer appeals to me. Yeah, people say, how many more banana jokes do you have? And I say a whole bunch. Don't worry, a whole bunch. Okay, we're safer over here. Now, over here we have our Nile River. Yeah, the Nile is actually the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. Oh, up ahead. Looks like we have an African elephant. Yeah, actually, a fun fact about elephants. Did you know they have the best memory in the entire jungle? Yeah, I really wish I had a memory like that. It'd be so helpful for this job. Now we are headed into the African belt. It does hold up the African pants. It is an immense grassland home to a variety of wildlife. Looks like today we have some giraffes, canoes, impalas, zebras, vultures, and Goliaths. Yeah, look at that. Look at that sleeping zebra. Yeah, how cute is he? So there's those lions. Had him over for dinner. To dinner. Yeah, but he looks dead. Tired. Yeah, we're going to let him rest in peace. Okay, moving on. Oh no. Okay, on the right here, that's my friend Skipper Felix. Yeah, I'm not going to lie, it is Skipper Felix's first day here at the Jungle Cruise. And probably his last day here at the Jungle Cruise. Yeah, I try to tell him, remember one about being a skipper is you don't leave the boat. Yeah, but I'm sure he'll get the point in the end. But whatever I know. Now, just around the river bend here, guys, we are headed into crocodile country. Actually, on our right bank, we have two of our crocodiles today. The big one's name is Smiley, and the smaller one's name is Ginger. Just be careful because Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie. Sorry, that was crummy. Okay, I am going to milk it for all it's worth, guys, okay? Now, up ahead, we do have the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Actually named after the world famous jungle explorer Dr. Albert Ball. Yeah, don't worry guys, if you missed that one, we'll be going over it later. Okay. Now, a lot of people like to ask me, Skipper Molly, how exactly did you land your job here? And I think it's pretty plain to see. I took a crash course, and I've been winging it ever since. It's actually the tail end of my story. My career really never took off from there, so, oh no. I mean, hooray, guys. Looks like we're now offering half-off cruises. Okay, okay, I'm not gonna lie. I really hope you guys aren't carrying any marbles in your pockets. Yeah, because it looks like we have some hungry hippos. Yeah, I for one am in luck though. Don't worry about me. I lost my marbles a long time ago. So I think we're safe. Now, some people like to tell me that my job is just so easy that a monkey can do it. That is ridiculous. In fact, it's wrong. These are apes, to clarify. Chimpanzees, to be more specific. Now, it looks like we have a couple more of our chimpanzee pals. Yeah, I think they got into our crates for margarine flies. And I know what you're thinking. I can't believe it's not butterflies. Yeah, don't worry, I get that all the time. And now, folks, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Yeah, I know I have. Yeah, the tremendous, the stupendous, the colossal, the eighth wonder of the world, that side of water. Woo! Yeah, do not try this at home, because you will hit your head on the faucet. Yeah, don't ask me how I know that. Just trust me, okay? Now we are turning into the Mekong River. I am not going to lie, this is Mekong me a little bit nervous. Looks like there was an earthquake here recently. But there could actually be great treasure hidden inside this temple here. Or grave nature. Yeah, but I can't really turn the whole boat around at this point. So how about you guys please keep your eyes open. And I'll keep mine closed. Most people think it's water in their trunks. It's not. So give it that what you will, okay? Actually, a fun fact about elephants. Did you know they have the best memory in the entire jungle? Yeah. Duck. I'm just kidding. They're elephants. Sorry. They used to spray them up, but they're really into dry humor right now. So Hakuna Matata means no worries, right? Now I kind of think that after a cruise like this one, guys, we probably deserve a souvenir. So we're going to stop up here at the Lost and Found and pick out some things. Or sorry, Trader Sam's Gift Shop. Trader Sam's Gift Shop. Renamed it last week. Now we do have some hats up there for sale. Yeah, a few different styles, but plenty of sizes. Don't worry if you don't know your cap size. I'm really good at capsizing. If you're interested. Now I guess while we're waiting here, I will ask, is this anybody's first time on the Jungle Cruise? Any first timers on board? Oh my goodness. I'm so glad I'm not alone. Wow. No. Is anybody's last time on the Jungle Cruise? Any last time? You're honest. I like you, okay? Just make sure you guys share your experience with others. It's going to keep our wait time down. Yeah. I, for one, had so much fun with you all. I think I'm going to go again. And again. Every 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah, my mama tried to tell me my career's going in circles at the moment. I don't really see it that way. It's like one big squiggly oval at this point, truly. Yeah. Come back and save me anytime, folks. Or sorry, see me. Come back and see me anytime. Yeah, that's Skipper Molly. It's spelled Helpne. The cry for help is silent, but growing every single day. But we're just going to hang out here. We can actually point out some of this rarer foliage if you look up here. If you look up at the top of the tree there at the very, very top, that one is our hibiscus. And the one at the bottom there at the very, very bottom, that is of course our lobiscus. The one in the water there, that's of course the seabiscus. The one on the tree bark there, that's our dog biscus. And the one in the shadows around the corner, you can't quite see it. It's really Nunya biscus. Yeah. And this little buddy, just make sure we're on our bottom for me, turned around for your safety, my friend, okay? Yeah, I can't have you going overboard. Yeah, it's way better to be overexcited than overboard. Trust me, I've tried both. Yeah. But I guess I could take a commercial break to thank our sponsors of today's cruise. That's of course zebra jerky, the only white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, jerky. And animal crackers for reminding us that all animals taste the same. Delicious. Especially with frosting. I actually want to take a moment to thank my favorite sponsor, and that's of course the Miracle Engine Boat Company, because it's a miracle this engine has made it this far. This is the first time for me. Thanks for being a part of history. Yeah, my boss is actually just around the corner. I'm doing so well. I have a 100% survival rate. Never been done before, guys. That's crazy. Actually, I do want to take a moment to thank y'all, because out of all the cruises I've ever had, you guys have definitely been the most recent, and I mean it every single time I say it. Sorry, that was rude. That was rude. You're very sweet, outstanding even, a captive audience, but soon we will need you to be outstanding on the dock. But in the meantime, just make sure our little ones aren't fully in your lap for me. Don't worry, the standing ovation is coming, princess, I promise. That was a great dress rehearsal. You got it, you got it. Yeah, but looks like our traffic jam is clearing up a little bit. As we approach over here, you may notice my friend there at the camera. Yeah, he takes all of our souvenir photos here at the Jungle Cruise. Yeah, people think we pay him to do that. That's ridiculous. He does it for the exposure. Now folks, I believe we are nearing the scariest part of our journey. It is the return to civilization. So please just remain fully seated on your back pockets with all arms, hands, and elbows fully inside that boat. And keep watching those kids. And speaking of kids, I'm going to tell y'all what my mother told me the day I turned 18. She said, "Skipper Molly, honey." And I said, "Yes, Skipper Mom." It's a family name. She said, "Happy birthday. We love you oh so much. Like a daughter."